Material: oil pastels. To enrich the background, paint as thick as possible. Blending with the white oil pastel. I'm drawing thick circles in order to create texture. To make the grass have distinct gradation, I chose different greens in different layers. Using calligraphy pen to draw the rose stems. Pay attention to some variations. When forming roses, paint from inside to outside. You can add more different sizes and colors. The more variations, the more vivid it will be. Add some highlights and petals flying around. The atmosphere is romantic. Let's enjoy peeling off the artist tape. Hope you enjoy this mini paint. See you in next video.